Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I hope everybody is doing great out there. It's kind of chilly here today, but I'm so glad I don't have anywhere to go today. And it's raining, but it's still the day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. So I'm not complaining about that. Just a little chilly outside. But y'all, look, I wanted to come and do something a little different. I wanted to come and just chit chat a little bit maybe, and do a little vlogging. And I'm gonna try my hand at putting this toddler bed together. Our 4-year-old, she's my granddaughter. Our granddaughter. She's like, of course, grandbabies are like your kids, and they are your kids. And so she is gonna be, she's 4, so on the 15th, on January 15th, she's gonna be 5.
Hi guys.
That's her. How old are you gonna be, Ava?
5.
When's your birthday?
January 15th.
So you said your birthday is January 15th? Are you excited?
Yeah. This is 1, 2, 3, 4.
What's that mean?
4 days
Before what?
for my birthday.
Can y'all see that? Her little her mommy made her the little pointy rings, the little rings here, and she made it to where it could help her count down how many more days before her birthday. So she did the same thing for Christmas, and she's doing it for her birthday. Okay, so y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get started.
For a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my I've been trying my best.
like my blanket.
we got you some sheets somewhere. I don't know where they are though.
They're in the closet. The bear one.
Who told you that?
I just saw them when me and Bella and Dad fit in there. Woohoo!
You gonna come on this side so they can see your bed?
Yeah.
Well, come on this side so they can see you because you're blocking the camera.
You can help me. New bed is my favorite.
Okay, bend down so they can see your face.
Guys, this is really so awesome. So, I love it.
You know, just lay on there. Sit on there real quick so they can see you.
Okay.
Let them see how you look sitting on it. Oh, pretend like lay down. Pretend like you're sleeping. Oh, let me give you some blanket. Lay down. Okay, so we're all done. All we have to do is put the sheets on it, and you're ready to take a nap. And you're ready to go to sleep.